So here we have had an issue. You can see where the roofs come together here. So the water comes flying down through there. And then someone designed it so that this half-inch ledge here, hopefully you can see that, is supposed to stop it, and then it's supposed to go up that way. Well, this is a little lower for one thing, I think. And secondly, it doesn't stop it. And we have this little gap right here. So what I did was I said, okay, if we can't stop it, we have to guide it. Because what was happening is it was going back and running on the house, and then along the siding and down in, because it wasn't tight. So what I've done is we've added some flashing, and that should bring it out away from the house another 6 inches. You can see here, and you can see where the damage was before. So brings it out another 6 inches, plus when it comes off this metal here, it's really not going to be able to, when it comes off that edge, it's not going to be able to run back up in. It's going to fall. So it's going to be hitting the roof about 20 inches from the house, which is a whole lot better than going on the wood and sucking right back onto the siding. So we did flash it really good through there. Any rain hitting the siding can go down through and be okay. And hopefully any fast water or going over this little nip ledge here can be guided off onto the roof below, which will be geckoed when we get another 5-gallon pail here. But you can see we have the other roof. That's all done all the way around the corner now. It's dirty over there, but that already is geckoed. Eventually we'll do another coat on all of it, but we have just one corner here and this little bay area. So we should be in good shape. It will be interesting to see what happens when it rains next. And hopefully we'll get some video of it coming off here nicely and not going on the house.